Hello dear viewers, you are most welcome and thanks for watching. Today we are going to look at solving quadratic equation by completing square. And please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and support our channel, and don't forget to watch up in the end. So today we are going to look at solving quadratic equations by completing square. From the standard form of a quadratic equation, which is the a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. We are going to use completing square like the very way we derived this quadratic formula using completing squares in the previous video, so you can find it in the comment section. So we are going to solve these examples of quadratic equations using the completing square method. So we can now kickstart. Let's now jump into the video. So we're going to have our response. Let's begin with number 1. So number 1, we have the 3x squared minus 14 x plus 8 equals to 0. So the first step here we have to do is to make the coefficient on x squared to be 1. So in here we are going to have the 3x squared minus 14x plus 8 equals to 0. So we first divide through by 3 everywhere by 3, so that here we are having the x squared minus 14x by divided by 3 plus 8 divided by 3 equals to 0. Now from here, we are going to take the constant on the right hand side of the equation, so that we are going to remain with x squared minus 14x by 3 plus the 8 divided by 3 minus 8 divided by 3 equals to 0 minus 8 divided by 3. So this is x squared minus 14x by divided by 3 equals to negative 8 divided by 3. So now on the left hand side we are going to complete the squares. We are going to have the x squared minus the 14x by divided by 3. So we are going to have it, the equal signs are here. This we have negative 8 divided by 3. So we are going to have this, but we are summing it there. So we are having negative 14 divided by, now it is going to be 2 times, but we square it. We do the same on the right hand side, then we square it. As we simplify this, we are having x squared minus 14 out of 3x plus negative 14 divided by 6 by the whole of it squared equals to negative 8 divided by 3 plus negative 14 divided by 6 by the whole of it squared. Now on the left hand side, the whole of this is the same as having x minus the 14 divided by 6 by the whole of it squared, giving us the negative 8 divided by 3 plus, so here you're going to have negative 14 but squared, giving us the answer as 196 divided by, then the 6 squared, we get 36. So this side you're going to have x minus 14 divided by 6 by the whole of it squared equals to, so as we simplify here, we are going to get the LCM, which is 36. Then 36 divided by 3, we get 12. Then 12 times 8, we get the answer as negative 96 plus 36 divided by 36, we get 1 times 196, we get 196. So the one in bracket here is the same as having x minus 7 out of 3, but the whole of it squared equals to, so as we simplify here, as we simplify this, we are getting 100 divided by 36. So what we are going to do, we are going to have the x minus 7 out of 3, the whole of it squared equals to the 100 divided by 36. We are going to take the square root on both sides, the square root on both sides. And immediately after introducing the square root, we have to put a plus or minus. Why? Because a square root of any number is either negative or positive. So we should not forget this. We should not forget that plus or minus. So in here we are going to have the x minus 7 divided by 3 being equal to the plus or minus the square root of 100 is 10, then divided by the square root of 36 is 6. So we are going to have x minus 7 out of 3 being equal to the plus or minus 5 divided by 3. So by making x the subject, we are going to have the x minus 7 out of 3 plus 7 out of 3 being equal to the 7 divided by 3 plus or minus 5 out of 3. So that we have x being equal to the 7 divided by 3 plus or minus 5 divided by 3. From here, we are going to say that either x is equal to, we can first consider the plus 7 out of 3 plus 5 out of 3. As we simplify, we are going to get the LCM, which is the 3, then 7 plus 5, we are getting 12. As we divide 12 by 3, we are getting our value of x as the 4. Or, say that x equals to the 7 out of 3, then we are considering a minus from here, 5 out of 3. As we simplify this, we are going to have x equal to, the LCM remains 3, so we have 7 minus 5. Our value of x becomes 2 out of 3. Therefore, the values of x in 3x squared minus 14x plus 8 equals to 0, 4, and 2 out of 3. So this becomes the answer or the values for x in number 1. Then number 2, we are having 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 equals to 0. So here we are going to have the 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 plus 4 equals to 0 plus 4. So here we are having the 2x squared minus 7x. This one becomes 0 equals to our 4. So let us make the coefficient on x squared be 1. We are going to get the 2x squared, which is minus 7x, being equal to 4. Then divide by 2 everywhere on both sides of the equation. So that we are having the x squared minus the 7 out of 2x equals to 4 divided by 2. We are getting the 2 as the answer. Then from here, we are going to complete squares on the left hand side of the equation. So this implies that we are having the x squared minus 7 out of 2x plus, so we are going to have the negative 7 divided by the 4 by the whole of it squared being equal to 2 plus the negative 7 out of 4 by the whole of it squared. This one, the whole of it, is the same as having x minus 7 out of 4 by the whole of it squared being equal to the 2 plus negative 7 squared, we have 49, divided by 4 squared, we have 16. As we simplify the expression on the right hand side, we are having the x minus 7 out of 4 by squared equal to, so here we have divided by 1, the LCM is 16, then 16 divided by 1 we get 16, then multiply by 2, we are getting 32, plus 16 divided by 16, we get 1, multiply by 49, we are getting our 49. We have now x minus 7 out of 4 by the whole of it squared equals to 81 divided by 16. The next step is to take square roots on both sides. So you have x minus 7 out of 4, which is squared, being equal to the 81 divided by 16. We are taking the square root on both sides. And don't forget, we said when you take a square root, don't forget to put a plus or minus. We are having x minus 7 out of 4 being equal to plus or minus the square root of 81 is 9, then the square root of 16 is 4. So therefore we are going to have x equaling to 7 out of 4 plus or minus 9 out of 4. So you can see that either x equals to 7 out of 4 plus 9 out of 4. So we have x equaling to, when we sum up, we are going to have the 16 divided by 4. Therefore x equals to the 4. Or we are going to have x equaling to the 7 out of 4 minus 9 out of 4. So as we simplify, we are going to have negative 2 out of 4. Therefore our value of x becomes negative a half. Therefore the roots or the values of 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 equals to 0, 4 and negative a half. And thanks for watching. Then try out number 3, as you can see here. Try out number 3, number 4, number 5 and number 6. And please drop the answers in the comment section.